happy birthday. Wish you good health and more blessings to you and to your family. I'm so blessed to have you as my friend, my sister, and sana hindi ka magbayo. And you know that I'm always here for you. And thank you for always being there for me. Alam mo yan, I love you and stay beautiful inside and out. God bless you, Marjo. I love you. Hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Johan!
Happy 22nd birthday. Tita, siyempre, you're growing old. Sana you're also growing up. At this moment, you're having a lot of responsibilities on your part kasi you grab the role. O, hindi naman grab. Itang bali-bala mo. May bestow kaya itang role of being panganay. Sana kay, nung nanuluman datang bagay na ikwa mo, i-share mo la. Nung nalaman datang bagay na buri mong kunan, i-share mo la para at least o pantalaran. Tapos, nung nanula pa datang bagay na buri mo pang abalo, king pagiging kapatid, pagiging boyfriend, ay girlfriend, sorry. Tapos, pisag yan talaran. Kasi, bali mo naman, sabi mo pin, you treat me as your brother, as your best friend, and siyempre, your boyfriend na. Alam na akong makaing wish for you kasi malong naman, you have almost things in the world na offer na ng life kaya. Tinggang malugod na kanyari, tinggang may pakapatid. Parang taong kayo, the people that surround you kayo. Atin ding most treasured kaya mo rin bagay rather than material things. Balong naman itong ang malugod na chi, itong ang malugod na anak. Itong, siyempre, in my part, you're the most loving girlfriend I will have, and at this moment, I'm having. Ita mo, sana mag-enjoy ka kayo ng Benjamin and happy birthday ulit. Love you.
Sana happy ka kay birthday mo. I love you. God bless.
Hello there. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Jo. Ilan na ka?
22.
Jo, happy birthday. God bless. I wish you all the best. Hi, Jo. Hi.
Hello.
Happy birthday. Tanda?
Happy birthday, Ate Joanna. Dali, bebe.
Happy birthday, Ate Joanne. Birthday. Happy birthday po. KK. Happy birthday, Ate Joanne.
Hi, Jo. Happy birthday. Mama, chup chup.
Ninang Joanne. Ninang Joanne, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Ninang Joanne. Happy birthday, Ninang. Happy birthday, Ninang. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Ninang.
Happy birthday, Jo. Chup chup. Hi, Jo. Kamusta ka? Happy birthday. Chup chup. Salamat sa binigay mo sa akin. Thank you.
Hello, Joe. Happy birthday. More birthday to come.
Birthday to sana cuma mahal niya naman ang taon. Balik yang muli kami.
Stay beautiful and sexy as you are.
Bumawin na kami muna, Jo.
Okay. Happy birthday.
Imingat kayo kaya na ika na bala ka rin mama. Sama-sama yung mga brand, na. Panyat mo discount, butang sakali natin kayo pang sarwal. Maka-discount ka na. O kaya, lagat na natin para mapaka na ako na, Jo. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Joe.
Bye!
Hello, Ate Jo. Happy birthday. Himingat ka lagi. I love you so much. Bye-bye. Hi, Jo. Happy 22nd birthday kaya ka. Narong handa mo kanyan. Di karakan mo pa paluton eh. Pinakatipon mo pa mo. Oy ta, wish ko ganaganang plano mo kang be matupad. Basta kung nano maning plano yung kay ngadong RG. Sa yan yung kaya kami ngadwa. Bahan ta at so kami mo kini para suporta din nga ganaganang plano yung. Balo yun naman, ikatamo pa mura ni Papa niya. Basta ingat parati Ken, tsaka ito, stay sweet, ampong thoughtful. Ay, kuya mo, dahil sa vlog kanyan. Happy birthday! Love you, Jo! Miss you!
Hello! Oh, happy birthday! Tutuwa na ka na eh. Dara ka rin responsibilidad kanyang kapatid. O na nung handa mo kanyan. O na no, yung wish ko kaya ka, balo ko dahil ka pangarap eh. Sana itang pangarap mo ito matupad ngan. Kaya kapatid. Kaya ko buri ka rin pangarap mo itang mutake na magobra ka buri ko. Mutake na masyal ka mo. Ayan eh.
Pasal kayo rin dati kayo eh.
Wow, mimingat na nga lagi kan kapatid. No? Watcho kayo lagi kayo para kaya ko. Mingat. Happy birthday ulit.
Mwah!
I love you and I miss you. Mama.
Hi Jo, happy birthday. Hope that you kami can. But anyway, greeting from Paris with your ate. Happy birthday and we wish you a lot. See you soon. See you soon, Kenny Oman, okay, Philippines man. And ito, gamalaut ko, I always be there for you, through text or through FB or nanuman. I will be your brother. Okay, love you, baby.
Jo, happy birthday. Miss you. Sana ay ganaganang wishes mo matupad. And hope to see you soon. Akbalo nung Kenny or kingalawang bansa or kin Pilipinas man. Basta miyabi-yabi tapos mikitikitang pasibayo. Stay malago, stay magulo. I miss you. Mimingat palagi. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Happy birthday.
Hello, Jo. Happy birthday. Sana dakal pang birthday na tangkero. I love you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Jo! Hi! Love you!